know God. We were created to love our Lord. We were created to serve Him without committing sin. We can personally investigate about God as we meditate. We say read the holy books, always make time to look. We can search in any holy place.
You know Amazing Grace?
Yes.
Give me just the first 2 lines, please.
Amazing grace, how sweet thou art.
Thank you so much. All right.